3 to the power x plus 2 plus 9 to the power x, 9 plus 2 to the 7. So find the value of x. How? First we can write this 3 to the power x, and this is we can write 3 square, and there this is we can write this, and this is the similarly we can write this, and this we can write this we can write, and now this is 9 and this is the 3x, and this is the interchange between of this power. So x, this is square, and this is the 3 square, and this is the interchange. So this is the, you can write this. And now 3 to the power x, power of x is equal to take the a, take, so this we can write, so 9, this is take the a, and this the a square, and this is the 9, and this is the a cube. So here we can write 0, this is a cube, and this is the minus a square this side, and this is the minus 9a, and this is the plus. And now this is take the a square, so a minus 1, and this is the take the 9, so a minus 9. So here the a minus 1, and this is a square minus 9, this is equal to 0. So this, so we can write a minus 1 is equal to 0, and there a square minus 9 is equal to 0, or so a minus 1 is equal to 0, so a is equal to 1. From here we get, and from here we get the a square is equal to 9, so a is equal to plus minus of 3. And now prove this. This 3 to the power x is equal to a, so a is equal to 1, so 3 to the power x is equal to a is equal to 1, so 1 is equal to, we know the power of 0, so x value is 0, and 3 to the power x is the plus 3, take first, so plus 3, this is the power of 1, so x value is 1, from here we get, and 3 to the power x, this is power of minus 3. There always, if ax is always positive, if any power always positive, but there is the minus, so there is a no real number, so this term is cutting, only this plus term is taken, so x is equal to 1, take, and x is equal to 0. And now verify, if x is equal to 0, so then the 3 to the power x is equal to 0 plus 2, and this left side 9 is equal to of 0, and right side there is the 9 and 27, there is the x is equal to 0. So there is the 3 square, so 3 square 3 to the power x is equal to 0, so there is the 3 square is 9, and this the plus, and 9 to the power 0, this is the 1, and there is the 9, and 27, this is power is 1. So this side is 10 and this side is 10. This is satisfying if x is equal to 0. So this is the right. And x is equal to 1. So then 3x is equal to 1 and 2 plus 2, and there is the 9, so 1, and left side this 1 and 27 is the power of 1. So there is the 3 to the power 3. So 3 to the power 3 is 27, and there is the 9, and there is the 9, and there is the 27. So this is the both are similar. So x is equal to 1 is right. So x value is 0 or 1. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.